everybody to see their test yesterday. We're definitely going to let them have a chance to see that today. Some people have not come to finish their test. They have definitely got to rectify that situation. No, I haven't typed in the 0 yet, but you know eventually that is coming. You don't want that. That would be bad. We are going to talk more about Piecewise today, and we're taking a quiz on Piecewise when? Tuesday. And Table 2 had it the fastest. Blizzard was mumbling Tuesday earlier. So, yes, next Tuesday. Table 2 can get the point. We have a quiz next Tuesday. We are going to do a checkpoint tomorrow. That way we can wrap it on up on Monday in case some people need to take a little time with it. That's fine. Today we're going to go back to our doodle notes. So if you don't have those out already, get those out. We are going to go back to our doodle notes. We're going to graph 2 more problems. So I had a list of things that I'm wanting from you today, after I stop rambling. It would be, why is the screen still frozen? It would be, have I seen your Homer Simpson? That would be step 1. I want to see your Homer Simpson, and it is a grade. It was a Homer Simpson puzzle. It was on evaluating piecewise functions. Most of us have evaluating down. I'm not worried about evaluating anymore. If you've forgotten what the answer was, it's on the board in pink. And if you forgot which problems you could skip, that's also on the board in pink. So have I seen your Homer Simpson? There are quite a few in the room who have not seen their Homer Simpson. Okay, the second thing I am going to want from you is actually your homework. So I told you your homework is not technically due until next Monday, but let's face it, it's page 23 and 25 in your notes. Cooper can do page 23 super fast. The issue is page 25. It was 16 graphing problems. Graphing problems take time.
Ms. Compton?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you send Angel Brown to the attendance window for a minute, please?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, so graphing problems take time. So Seth needs some time for that. We took away 3 of them, so that means you have, sadly, 13 graphing problems today. Now, some of them are super fast. Some of them take a little bit of time. So it would be wise to start that. And you would say, Ms. Compton, what about that other puzzle? So the other puzzles. The other puzzles we're going to make those bonus. The other puzzles are bonus. So yesterday I passed out 2 pieces of paper. One was a riddle about Homer Simpson. The other had a riddle about Godzilla, and then on the back it has a riddle about horses. Those are both going to be bonus. The Godzilla one is if you're trying to debate which bonus to do in your life. The Godzilla one is harder, I think. The horses one is tedious, so it'll be like the same graph. Like they'll be the exact same equations, except one will be less than -2, and the other option would be less than or equal to -2. Like, the differences in the graphs is the closed and open circles kind of thing. It's very tedious, but it's easier. You don't have to do either. If Cassidy has her Homer Simpson done, and she realizes, hey, it's going to take me a long time to graph those 13 problems, she might not want to do any bonus. That's fine. I did pass it out to you, and I don't even think it's silly, so we're just going to make it straight up bonus. Let's see, there are 8 problems on the horse side, so that's 8 points, and then I forgot how many are on the Godzilla side, so however many problems there are, it's how many points for bonus. Okay, let's see, there's something else. Okay, let's go ahead and go over this math workshop so we can get to our 2 practice problems. Okay, I need a description of this walk that will produce a graph. Yes, Cooper?
It increases, there's a rest, and then there's a decrease.
Jax, do you have something different to add? You have a point, Cooper.
I put the speed increases, then the speed, the speed stays steady, and then it decreases.
I like that he actually said the word speed. However, he said steady, and I really like Cooper's idea of a rest in the middle, like there was a break. Because steady makes it sound like the dude kept walking, and really from 2 to 7 he stopped. So I like Cooper's, he rested. Paige, you had a thought? You can have a point, Jack.
I was going to say that somebody starts walking, and then they stop for a break, and then they start walking
more slowly. So again, their answers was sufficient. He was walking at a constant, at an increasing rate. He stopped for 5 seconds. Then he walked away, but at a slower pace. That's fine. In fact, let's write that. I wrote a more technical one last period, but there's no need. That was good. I don't know why it said he. It could be a she. He walked at an increasing rate from 0 to 2 seconds. He rested for 5 seconds, because 2 7 is 5.
Let me have your attention at this time. We are under a hard lockdown drill.
Okay, so I know we don't have time for this, and I've got to stop the recording. We'll come back to this in just a hot second. If you